Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to fix Librarian tidy up the Arcane Library. It's crashing on Steam. First, you will need to right click on the game in your library and open up Properties. Now in the launch options, you will need to add -dx11 and then go to Install Files and verify Game Files. Once completed, you can close Steam and then open up your browser and then type in Visual C++ downloads. Click Enter. Scroll down until you find the section. Now from this table here, you will need to download and install the 86 and the 64 distributables. And once you finish the installation, this will require a computer restart. Now after the restart, all you need is to run Steam as administrator. So just search for Steam, right click and run admin, and then just open up your game from your library. And if you still have crashes, what you can do is try to update your GPU, so you will need to use NVIDIA app or the AMD software. If you're depending on which GPU you're running, and then from the drivers here, check for the latest updates and install them. That's pretty much on this video. If this helped, please leave a like. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.